Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. We got a parking lot sale going on this weekend. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tour reviews, tour deals. Yes, another parking lot sale from Harbor Freight. This is the time that we can get the cheapest tools and cheapest generators and all that. This is the second video I do for this parking lot sale. I'll see if I can link that up above. This is just going to be a brief video. The other one's a little bit more detailed. Let's start with these mechanic carts. These have been... I do have a current coupon for $169.99 for the blue, black, and red. This is the current coupon, or the current lowest price for all the colors. So if you guys need them, get them. They're probably going to go up in price because they've been going up in price. The Badlands ZXR 12,000 pound. This is a great winch. However, this is actually one of the lowest price we've seen. So $289.99 is one of the lowest price we've seen. This is a 2,000 watt super quiet inverter generator. I believe we've seen this for what is this? More than this, so it'd be like $449, I believe. So this is a great price, saving $10 on the regular price. We seen this at the parking lot sales for $69.99 before, but we haven't seen that lately. So this is an okay price. If you guys not in a hurry to get it, I would definitely wait, see if it goes down lower in price. These items here, these the best items here. There's a lot of good discounts in generators and compressors and all that. You got 50%, 60%, and 93%. This is not necessarily how it goes, how it rolls out. Usually by Friday you get the regular price, Saturday you get 50% off, and Sunday around 3 o'clock you get about 70%. By Sunday you don't get, there's not really anything left. Usually everything goes on Saturday when it's 50% off. Stay tuned for my videos because I do go to the Harbor Freights, like 2 or 3 different Harbor Freights, and look at the prices. So if you guys haven't watched that on my channel, please subscribe. And stay tuned for tomorrow or Saturday, because I will be uploading a video of me going to the Harbor Freights and looking at all those items that you guys can get for these discounts. Another great item here is this jack. This is a higher price than the jack we used to have before, the gray one, but they don't. They didn't sell it. They're not selling it anymore. They got rid of it. Now they have this red one. So it's basically the Series 2. Still a great price for $100. It is the 3-ton long, low profile. It does lift higher, and it is a longer reach than regular jack. Just keep that in mind. These are great shop lights. Would definitely recommend it for $19.99. Let's see here. It's always been $39.99. It's always been $99.99. Let's see here. It's always been $5. Great light there. It's a great item here. $64.99. It's a great price. I do have a video out there where I'm starting a V8. I did pay more than this though. There's a great light here. I do have it in my house. Still works. So for $20, it's pretty much a smoking deal there. This is a great tilting flat panel mount. $16.99. All it is metal, so they can't screw up metal. This is one of the items that we've seen the lowest now. This is the lowest price. They must not be selling a lot of these. The 100 watt solar panel kit. This is the lowest I've seen it. Usually the lowest we've seen it is for $149.99. This is $139.99. I do have videos of my solar panel, my solar system. on my channel. You could put solar system 2HID147 on the search section of YouTube, and all my videos will pop up. But yeah, this is a great item. Still sitting out there on the sun, beating on the sun all day, every day. It still works. Definitely recommend this for you guys. If you're a professional, if you're a DIY and want professional quality tool, you can look at the Earthquake XT. 20 volt lithium coreless extreme torque. You got 1200 breakaway torque. It is a half an inch and it's $219.99. It does include a charger and a battery. It's not a bad deal for $699.99. These boxes are great. Any of the Harbor Freight toolboxes are always great. It's a great deal for this bench. $77.99. It's always been $9, under $10. Definitely a great quality here on this Quinn. I do have a video where I compare it to the Pittsburgh Pro. These are great. Oh, this is a great deal here, $89.99. Usually it's about I would say about $100. So you're getting $10 off. You do have to buy the battery and the charger separate though. And then we have the jack stands. $17.99. It's not a bad deal. Looks like that's it. I just highlighted a few things. Obviously, if you want to look at the prices in full, feel free to pause the video and look at the prices and the items. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.